Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok viewer profile. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok viewer profile, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.